Have you ever wondered how you would cook if you lost power? Think about it. It's a scenario that can happen. And when it does, it's a game changer. It's time to get back to basics. First up on the list is the good old grill. You know, the one that's been gathering dust in the garage. Fire it up with charcoal or propane and it becomes a handy outdoor kitchen. Whether you're grilling burgers or roasting veggies, the grill is a versatile and straightforward way to cook without electricity. The second method is using a camping stove. Compact, portable, and efficient, a camping stove can be a lifesaver when you're without power. It operates on propane or butane canisters, and with a bit of practice, you can whip up anything from a hearty stew to a simple pot of coffee. Next is the classic fireplace. It's not just for ambiance or heating the house. With a cast iron skillet or a Dutch oven, you can create a full meal right in your fireplace. Picture a sizzling steak or a pot of chili simmering away. Speaking of Dutch ovens, there our fourth method. Cast iron Dutch ovens are sturdy, versatile, and perfect for outdoor cooking. Bury them in hot coals, and they become a slow cooker, perfect for roasting, baking, or stewing. The fifth way to cook without power is the Sterno stove. Named after the gel fuel it uses, a Sterno stove is lightweight, compact, and safe to use indoors. It's great for heating canned food or boiling water for that much-needed cup of tea. Number 6 is the campfire. It's as primitive as it gets, and that's the beauty of it. With a grate or spit for grilling, a pot or pan for boiling, and sticks for roasting, the campfire opens up a world of culinary possibilities. Last but not least, we have the kerosene heater. While its primary use is for heating, it can also be used for cooking. With a flat top, it can serve as a stovetop, useful for boiling water or heating up soup. In conclusion, losing power doesn't mean you need to lose your appetite. With these 7 methods, grills, camping stoves, fireplaces, Dutch ovens, Sterno stoves, campfires, and kerosene heaters, you're well equipped to face any power outage. It's about adaptability, creativity, and resilience. It's about survival.